Hey there, Gordon Hillicky with Customer Tracks. Appreciate you guys taking the quick time to take a look at this account screen. We've got a couple of changes here that we want you guys to be aware of before we do our deployment. There's some pretty major changes, but I think you'll find, based on the feedback we've been getting, that these are very positive things that will give you guys a lot more flexibility. So first and foremost, you'll notice that a big change that we made is the activity and history areas are now over on the right side of the screen. So this allows you guys to see the active stuff immediately and then the history underneath it. So that really hasn't changed, except for the fact that the active area will expand and get bigger if you have more calls or cases or tasks, things like that in there. You can see this particular record has a call, an opportunity, and a case over there, and then the history starts underneath that. You can still filter the history just like you did before with selecting the little gear here, so that hasn't changed, just a little different location for it, so you can just display the things that you want on the account. Now over on the left is where we've had the most substantial change. We've gotten rid of icons and used text for the different sections, mostly because lots of dealers are trying to track additional things on customers these days. But also we've found that some dealers find certain data really important and others find different information that they want to display. For example, some people want to see financial information first. My personal preference is I like to see the contacts and the equipment right away when I pull them up. So I've moved those sections to the top and defaulted them to expand rather than be collapsed so that I can get into the contacts or the equipment right away. This is a personal preference, obviously, that each individual user can set on their own. You can see down below, for example, like we've got the details area. We have that set to collapse, but if you click on it, you can expand out the details and then scroll down and see all the information from there. Now this new layout changer will come with everything pretty much collapsed at this point, and then each user will be able to go in and change those settings. I just want to show you real quickly how you can do that. You go underneath the More option underneath any one of the accounts that you're in, and at the very bottom there's a Configure Layout Change. And from there it's a pretty standard layout changer that you'll see in most systems, where over on the left you can either hide or show different sections. When you've got them displayed, you have the option then to have them expanded by default, so that then they'll actually open up and you'll see all the options there. And then you can certainly move them up and down in the groupings if you want. So again, you've got the ability to hide them, expand them, and move them around. Now for sections that have details in them or additional fields, like the details section, you'll see that you can click on that and expand out, and you can go as far as to actually hide or remove or change the order of the fields based on your preference as well. This not only applies to the accounts, but it applies to things like sales calls and opportunities and anything that we create within the system. You'll be able to hide, move around, or do whatever you want with any of the fields to make it easier for people to input stuff or get rid of things that you don't find relevant that maybe other organizations use. So just a quick intro to that. Just wanted you to be aware of it before we start deploying this to the users. If you have any issues or concerns with this, please email us back or call us right away so that we can discuss any ideas that you have, things that we should be changing here or not doing. Thanks again for your time.